ResiRiver has reached its halfway point. Our pilots in Northwest European rivers are illustrating how nature-based solutions can be put into practice. Mainstreaming and upscaling takes time. It's a step-by-step process, and for every pilot, that journey is different. Some focus on stakeholder engagement, others on feasibility studies, modeling tools, workshops, or involving residents in local planning. For example, our partners from the University of Liège provide expertise in flood modeling and impact analysis of nature-based solutions in river systems. Currently, they are spearheading the development of digital twins to simulate the effectiveness of nature-based solution measures that will be implemented in the Vesdre River in Belgium and the Lay River in France. Putting together scientific evidence is an essential step in the mainstreaming process. Our pilots face real challenges. Funding and space can be limited, land ownership can slow progress, political priorities can shift, and uncertainty about long-term climate impacts remains. However, each pilot is working through these barriers, employing a learning-by-doing attitude. In doing so, they contribute to the complicated process of mainstreaming and upscaling. Success is not measured only by our work today, but by the bigger idea that work in our pilots will result in long-term policies, strategies, and underpin everyday decision-making. Step by step, ResiRiver is helping nature-based solutions move from innovative pilots through upscaling into mainstream practice. ResiRiver, creating resilient river systems by mainstreaming and upscaling nature-based solutions in Northwest Europe.